everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a game-changing tool in Fotor AI Agent for next level photo editing. First, just open fotor.com in your browser, and then just log in with your Google account. And once inside, you will see a dashboard page with AI tools for both photo and video editing. And on the left sidebar, you can see you will see AI designs and AI agent. And in this tutorial, we will focus on AI agent. So just click on this one, Agent CC, like this. And here you can do things uh, object remove, and then animate image, and then enhance the photo, change pose, change the color clothes, change the weather, and many more. You can just click on tutorial icon to explore step-by-step guides. And now let's try this agent. I will upload a photo. Just click on upload and choose from computer. Like this, and then just type a prompt to describe your edit or describe what you want to generate. And in this tutorial, I will turn my photo into a cartoon anime styles. So I will just type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just click generate. And okay, like this, your photo just transformed into an anime cartoon. They're amazing, right? With just one prompt, your photo just transformed instantly. So just go try it yourself and see what you can create. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.